Ritz-Carlton Residences. Let's go and see what the luxury means. Check this out, it's huge! Huge! The heart of the fashion is beating. You will be watching the city. Hello everybody, this is Erdem. We are the leading international real estate consulting company for foreigners who want to live or invest in Turkey. Today, we are in Nişantaşı to present you Ritz-Carlton Residences. Ritz-Carlton Residence is located in Nişantaşı. Where the heart of the fashion is beating. In Ritz-Carlton Residence, there are 121 residences, starting from 1+1 to 8+1 penthouses. And also, it's easy to reach to historical, residential, and business centers from Nişantaşı. The main target of Ritz-Carlton is to make your life, individual and business life, easier. You will feel the Ritz-Carlton experience at the entrance of the project. You will be met by smilingly valet to take and park your car. Let's say you need some touristic clues or you want to make reservation in popular places of Istanbul. You have 7 days, 24 hours concierge services. In Ritz-Carlton Residences, there are 3 types of decorations according to your demands. Let's go and see how it looks. Let's go and see what the luxury means. Ooh, you must live this feeling. We are going to see 4+1 residence. Check this out, it's huge. Huge! This residence is 265 square meters. Look at those windows. They are big and you will have sunlight all day long at your home. Besides, with the ceiling height, you will feel very comfortable. In Ritz-Carlton, you will feel the luxury at every part of your residence. All the materials used in Ritz-Carlton are first class. In the kitchen, you will be met by the island marble counter. Let's talk about the other details in the kitchen. Your kitchen is fully equipped with the brand of Gaggenau, including refrigerator, microwave, oven, electronical cooker, and also dishwasher. Let's go and see the other details. In Ritz-Carlton Residence, your wardrobes are quite high, wooden, and also covered with leather. In Ritz-Carlton Residence, there are 1 toilet and 2 bathrooms. Here is the common one. Let's check the bedrooms. We are in the master bedroom. In master bedroom, you have quite big space for your bed. Plus, You have dressing part and master bathroom. You see how big it is. In Ritz-Carlton, the smallest residence is 110 square meter. With smart home system, the control of your residence is in your hands. You can also contact to management. You can check the messages, even you can check the traffic. Let's say you want to leave your residence. You can directly get the valet service. When you call the valet service, your car will be ready at the door of the residence. We are now in the terrace of triplex residences. As you can see, you will have either beautiful Istanbul Bosphorus view or you will be watching the city. Whatever you expect from 5-star hotels, you will have in Ritz-Carlton residences. From spa to infinity swimming pools, from valet service to concierge service, from pet care to children playgrounds. All your needs will be just a few steps away from you. In Ritz-Carlton residences, when you have 3+1 or bigger residences, you can decide the size of the rooms and also you can decide the decorations. When you have a residence in Ritz-Carlton residences, you will become a member of International Ritz-Carlton family. You will have opportunities and privileges. Are you ready for Ritz-Carlton experience? We give you professional real estate consulting service. Shall we plan a bright future together?